Most people fail to improve their English, not because they're lazy, but because they practice wrong. They think they need to live in America or study 3 hours a day or find a native partner. That's not true. You can build real fluency even if you're busy, shy, or live in a non English country. Today, I'll show you 5 simple daily habits that actually work. No excuses, no boring grammar books. Let's start right now. The fastest way to speak better is to listen more, but not like a student, like a detective. When you listen, don't try to understand every single word. Instead, notice how the speakers sound, rhythm, pauses, emotion. Listen while you walk, listen while you clean, listen while you cook or drive. Even 10 minutes a day changes your brain. Let English be your background music, because if English lives in your ears every day, your mouth will follow naturally. Now, the magic word shadowing. This one technique can double your progress. Here's how. You listen to a sentence, you repeat it immediately like an echo. No translating, no stopping, no fear. Let's try it together. Ready? I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. Shadowing helps me sound natural. Now you repeat. Feels weird? Good. That means your brain is working. Do this 5 minutes a day and your mouth will start moving like a native's. If you keep translating in your head, you'll always sound slow. The goal is to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. It's morning. I need coffee. I'm late for work. Say them in your mind or whisper them quietly. Later, say them out loud. This is how you reprogram your brain. It's not about being perfect, it's about creating a habit. The more you think in English, the less you hesitate when you speak. Reading silently helps your eyes, but reading aloud helps your mouth, your brain, and your confidence. Pick a short story, a YouTube caption, or even my script right here. Read it slowly, clearly, confidently, then read it again, a little faster, then again, with emotion. Pretend you're an actor, because fluency is not about speed, it's about feeling. And when your tongue and voice get used to moving together, your English becomes smoother without thinking. If you want English to stay in your life, you can't just study it, you must live with it. Here's how to make that easy. Change your phone language to English. You'll see new words every time you unlock it. Settings, brightness, delete, update. That's free vocabulary training is 50 times a day. Write a short daily diary, just 3 lines. Today I went to work. I was tired. I drank 2 cups of coffee. 5 minutes. That's all. Record a 1 minute voice message every night. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings. No one has to hear it, but when you listen back, you'll notice your pronunciation and your progress. Join an English group online. WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, anywhere people chat in English. Don't be shy. Even reading others' messages helps your brain stay active. Watch short videos and copy lines, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Find a short clip, watch it 3 times, pause and repeat the sentences, copy the rhythm and tone. You'll sound 10 times more natural. Remember this, fluency doesn't come from one big effort. It comes from tiny habits you repeat every day. Say good morning in English. Write your to do list in English. Watch a short English clip before bed. These small steps turn into powerful change. English stops being homework, it becomes part of your life. And that's when real fluency begins. If this helped you, leave one English sentence about your day in the comments. Let's build your habit right here together. I'm Adam. This is Learn English Anyways, and I'll see you in the next episode.